Have you ever thought meal prepping was your golden ticket to saving time, eating healthier, and keeping life organized? It's a common ritual these days, hours spent in the kitchen, perfectly portioning out meals for the week. But what if I told you that this popular habit might actually be working against you? Yes, meal prepping might be hurting your health, your relationship with food, and even your sanity more than you realize. We've been told that meal prepping saves us from impulse eating, keeps us focused, and helps us achieve those fitness goals. And while it can do all of that, what it doesn't do is give us variety, freshness, and the freedom to listen to what our bodies actually crave. Eating the same pre-packaged, reheated meals day in and day out can lead to taste fatigue and leave you missing out on the joy and spontaneity that make food exciting and satisfying. Let's talk about nutrition. Fresh food doesn't last forever, and many nutrients start to fade as soon as they're cooked. So, by the time you're eating those meals on Thursday or Friday, you're likely getting less nutrition than you'd expect. Studies show that key nutrients, like vitamin C and certain B vitamins, begin to degrade within hours of cooking. So, when we're meal prepping days in advance, we're losing some of the essential goodness our bodies need right when we need it. But here's the big surprise: meal prepping can create a rigid, rule-based relationship with food that sometimes leads to burnout or even binge eating. When you've planned out every bite, every portion, there's little room for adapting to how you feel in the moment. Food becomes a task, not an experience. Instead of being a moment to savor, it's just another item on your checklist, something you need to get through, and that's not the whole story. By relying on meal prepping, we miss out on the creativity that comes from cooking with whatever's fresh and in season, or the joy of trying something new when inspiration strikes. When we let go of strict meal prep routines, we allow ourselves the chance to reconnect with food as more than just fuel, but as an experience that can be shared, enjoyed, and savored. So here's the truth: maybe it's time to stop meal prepping, or at least rethink it. Give yourself permission to explore new flavors, to cook spontaneously, to enjoy fresh food, and to listen to your body's natural cues.